Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to increase your affiliate income and build a reliable online revenue stream, you're in the right place. Today I'm walking through an exact daily routine that constantly boosts my affiliate sales. Now, whether you are beginning or scaling up, this will help you focus and grow. My mornings are all about alignment and action. I wake up around about 7 o'clock in the morning and I do a quick mindset reset. It's either 10 minutes or journaling around or reading something about marketing or mindset. Why? Because affiliate marketing is a long game. Then I check my analytics, click-through rates, conversions, and what products perform best overnight. I also jot down one goal. Maybe it's to create a new pin for Pinterest or optimize a product review, clarity, or results. Now, between 9 and noon is my content creation block. This is crucial now. I create about 2 or 3 days worth of posts or videos promoting affiliate products I really believe in. Whether it's a YouTube review, TikTok tutorial, or SEO optimized blog post, either piece links back to the affiliate offer. And yes, I reuse content smartly. As a YouTube video becomes a blog post, and a blog becomes a pin, I squeeze out every drop. And after lunch, it's time for engagement. I reply to comments, check emails, and connect with people. Remember, affiliate sales are built on trust. If someone asks, is this really worth it? I answer with honesty. Now I spend about 20 to 30 minutes optimizing old posts. That might be updating links, adding CTAs, or improving SEO. It's like watering old plants. They still grow. Evenings are for review. I check in my automatic funnels, email sequences, landing pages, freebies, just to ensure everything's flowing. And this is where passive income becomes real. Systems do the very heavy lifting while I focus on strategy. So, hey, YouTubers and people looking at my channel, so that's my daily affiliate routine, from mindset to content optimization and automation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment